Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating your own button shortcuts on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Creating a new button shortcut on your Xiaomi phone is easy. Start by opening the Settings app. In Settings, select Home Screen. In Home Screen Settings, select System Navigation. Now tap Button Shortcuts. This shows a list of the possible shortcut combinations. Some are already assigned to a shortcut which you can edit and change, and some don't have any shortcuts assigned to them, so you can set one up. Tap a shortcut to change it. Choose the action you want the shortcut to perform, such as take a screenshot. I have just set it so that when I do a long press on the back button, it takes a screenshot. That is how you set up custom button shortcuts on Xiaomi phones. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.